Hello student, welcome to the new video part 4 of statistics class 10 mathematics. So in previous video we explained the mean by DAG method. Take one more question. Question number 6. By DAG method mean, but it's a missing frequency question. Data is given. Class interval and frequency. What's the class interval? So, you want to find the mean? No. You want to find the value of x and y. Mean is equal to given, that is the 42, and the sum of frequency (100). These all things are given. So here first we find if this is summation of f, means 7 plus 10 plus x plus 13 plus y plus 10 plus 14 plus 9 is equal to 100. So x plus y is equal to 100. When we add all the things, so to get 30, 40, 50, 63. So x is equal to 37 minus y. It's a first equation. Either you can find the value of x or y, that your wish. Here we find x. Then if two variables are missing, two frequency, so you have to need at least two equations. So that's sigma f is 100. But you want to find firstly x, then fx. Because second equation from here, mean is equal to 42 or 100. Summation of fx is not given, so we find it. Firstly find x. 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65 and 75. Multiply 35, 150, 25x, 65, 45, 45y, 550, 45, 70, 7, 6, 84, 91, 45, 5 carry 4, once again check the multiplication, because in this chapter if these are wrong, any misplaced, any error, so that all the data is correct, incorrect. So answer is incorrect. So check again what's the multiplication. Then add all the things. 5, don't add these two. This is directly write down. 25x plus 45y, 5, 5, 10, 5, 15, carry 1, 71819 514 519 24 27 carry 2 8 17 22 2775 plus 25x plus 45y. This is the value of summation of fx. Any doubts in this step? Solve it. Cross multiply 4200 2775 plus 25 37 minus y plus 45y. From first equation we can replace the value of x. 4200 minus 2775 25 7 ja 5 carry 17 minus 25y plus 45y. Subtract it. Here 20y minus 925 5 9 7 get 2 11 7 get 4 3 is to 1. Y is equal to 0 0 5. So y is equal to 25. Then put in first 37 minus 25. So x is equal to 12. That is the value of x and y. We have to use the direct method to find the value of x and y. For the missing frequency, always we have to use the direct method. You can use the any method, but this is easy. So pause video, note down. So find the mean by assume mean method. Second method to find the mean. Table same. Formula to find assume mean method, that is the mean is equal to a plus sigma ft upon sigma f. So I already explained a is any value from x. So firstly find the table for x. Same 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65 and 75. Then we find D. So A is equal to, suppose we take 1, 2, 3, 35. Let A equal 35. So D is equal to x minus A. Means for the first data x and A is 35. So 5 minus 35 we get minus 30. 15 minus 35 minus 20. Minus 10. 0. Then x greater 45 minus 35. 10, 20, 30, 40. Always x first, then minus a. X minus a. So we get the value of D. Then find FD. This is F. So F into D, minus 210, minus 200, -120, 0, 250, 200, 420, 360. Then add sigma FD, sigma F, 17, 19, 29, 32, 42, 47, 67, 77, 81, 91, 100. Minus 400, 530. Minus 530. Then add this 2 to 4, 4, 4, 8, 8, 3, 11, 1100, 1200, 30. 1230 minus 430. 800, 530, sorry. 700, because minus 530 and plus 1230. So we get 700 plus. Then put all the values here. A35, sigma FD 700, sigma F 100. 0, 0, 0, 0. 35 plus 7, that is 42, is the mean of the given distribution table by using assume mean method. I hope you understand how we find the mean. So pause, will note down. We explain one more question for finding the mean by assume method. Formula you know, mean is equal to A plus sigma FD upon sigma F A. But have the two concepts explained. Table is some different. Table 0 and above, 10 and above, 20 and above means the table given in more than form. So we can convert into a simpler form because we want D, A, F. F already now given because the number of student admits it is a CF. If this class interval in more than or less than form, so frequency is not a frequency, it is a cumulative frequency. So this is cumulative frequency. So we can find the frequency. It is in descending order. You can check it. Then if firstly you find class interval, then find X, then find F, then find D, then find FD. Don't be shocked. These two things only is given. We want find all because we want FD. And these depend upon X and X is depend upon CI, class interval. We want F. F is depend upon cumulative frequency. If this is in descending order, so first starting from the downward, from the bottom, smaller value, 0, 8 minus 0. Because from F to CF add, from CF to F subtract. 10 minus 8, 2. 60 minus 10, 6. 12, 15, 12, 10, 7, 5, 3. These all sums make 80. 5, 3, 8, 7, 15, 10, 25, 27, 37, 42, 52, 54, 64, 70, 80. Means calculation is right. Then find CI. 0 and above. Class size is 10, 10, 10. So 0 to 10. 10 to 20. 20 to 30. 30 to 40. 40 to 50. 50 to 60. 60 to 70. 70 to 80, 80 to 90, 90 to 100, and 100 above you want to make 100 above. This is 0, so it doesn't matter, but find it. 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95. So they are all given. We can take A is equal to 45. That's my wish. Let A is equal to 45. Summation of F 80. You can check it. FD. So first we find D. X minus A. So X minus A minus 40 minus 30 minus 20 minus 10 0 10 20 30 40 50. F into D minus 120 minus 150 minus 140 minus 100 0 150 240 180 80 400 0. Then sigma FD. Subtract minus sign. 100 200 240 290 390 490 510 minus 510. Then here 400 480 560 660 700 800 900 1050 1050 0 4 5 प्लस का 540 प्लस का 540. Then put all the values. 0 cancel. 45 plus 2 4 z 2 27 जा 4 here 24 3 remain 4 28 4 5 20 51.75 is the mean of the given data by assuming method. Here unit is not given. If it is given unit, you can write the unit. Okay, pause and note down. Explaining the third method to find the mean by step deviation method. In this year, this method is skipped from your syllabus, but we explain on the concept. A is same any. So first you find the value of x. 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75. So we again take A, this. So let A equal to 35. Then you find the value for the step deviation method. Mean is equal to A plus sigma f u upon sigma f into h. H is the height. Subtract any 10 minus 0, 10. Or 20 minus 10, 10. 30 minus 20, 10. So H is equal to 10. A 35. Sigma fu, I don't know. Sigma f, sum of all frequency 100. H 10. Means we only find summation of fu. So for fu we have to complete the table. First we find u, and u is equal to x minus a upon h. So x for first 5, a 35, h 10. So minus 30 upon 10 minus 3. Simply 15 minus 35 by 10 minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2 3 4. You can find there's always a sequence form, pattern form for the method. Then find FU minus 21 minus 20 minus 12 25 20 42 36. Summation of FU 53 30 70 80 90 100 plus 123 means 70 is the value of sigma FU. Then put here 0 cancel 35 plus 7, that is a 42. Same mean. I already explained, if you find the mean by any method, the answer is always same. And concept is clear, that's the more important. You find the step decision method or assume method for the greater data. If the data is more values, so you can find the assume method or standardization method, because they have to separate the common values in term of H. So the solution is easy for by solving the standardization assume method, means in less multiplication. Okay, pause video, note down. Take one more examples solved by step division method, but some different questions, because we have to want the two thing explanation. One thing explanation by step division method we find the mean, and second, when the table is given these forms, so how we solve the question to convert the table in your choice. So firstly here not given the class interval, find class interval. Also not given x, find x. Then you find u, x minus a upon h, make the table. Then find fu. Means my requirement is fulfilled in the table, because we only make one table, one question, one table. So requirement is fulfilled for the given formula. We want a, this. So for a, first we find the ax and x class mark. For class mark, first we want class interval. So below 10 means less 10. So the class size is 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. So 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90, 90 to 100. I explain why I make one more table. So x 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95. So take a is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 55. A is equal to 55. Class size 60 minus 50, 10. We want f into u. So u is equal to x minus a upon h. But where is f? If you say this number is f, no, this is CF. I explained in first video this is in ascending order, 5, 9, 17, 29, because this frequency for this class mark and for this class mark, this is a cumulative frequency in ascending order. So we find frequency f. First same, from f to cf we add them. So from cf to f we subtract 9 minus 5, 17 minus 9, 29 minus 17, 45 minus 29, 60 minus 45, 70 minus 60, 78 minus 70, 83 minus 78, 85 minus 82, 83 2. Then u, x minus a means 5 minus 55 minus 50 by 10, minus 5 minus 4 minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2 3 4. You can check this for check 95 minus 55 by 10, 40 by 10 4. So it is always order follow. Then find fu. Right here, minus 25, minus 16, minus 24, minus 24, minus 16, 0, 10, 16, 15, 8. Then summation of f, 85. You can add it because as far last CF is 85, sum of all these is 85. You can check it also. Sigma fu minus thing 20, 30, 40, 40, 40, 80, 90, 100 minus 105, 24, 34, 39, 49. Minus 56. Then put all the values. 55 minus 56. Upon 85 into 10. 55. 5 to 10, 5 17s are 112 by 17. 55 minus divide 112 by 17. So approx 55 17 3 51 17 6 are 17 3 6.3. So approx 0.0 7 14 6 8 48.7 approx. The value of the mean by step deviation method. Pause video, note down.